Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change the font of different elements on your website on Weebly. So let's get right into it. Now, you do need to change the font for each specific element that you want, or element type. Let me be more specific. You cannot change it globally for your entire site, at least as far as I'm aware. The only thing that can do that is changing your theme completely, but I might be mistaken on that. But what I do know that you can change is you can change the font for specific categories. So let's get right into it. So what you're going to want to do, click on theme once you're in your editor, and as you can see, you can click here to change fonts. And as you can see, you have a bunch of elements which you can change, and you'll see exactly what the changes are going to be whenever you hover over the element. For example, as you can see, I have paragraph text. Let me just go over into the build section. I'll add a title, and there we go. And if I go back into my change fonts, if I hover over paragraph text, it's gonna highlight this. If I hover title, it's gonna highlight this. And as you can see, whatever I change, that's going to be it. Now, as you can see, you can set the size to what you want. You can set the font to what you want. The style as well, let's say italic. You can set the weight. I'll set it to bold for the titles. Color is going to be some sort of lightish or darkish gray, or somewhere in the middle. Uppercase, you can turn uppercase completely on for all your titles. Letter spacing, you can edit that as well as the line height, and you can edit that at your leisure. So for example, if I set it to 100, doesn't do anything, but let me try to set it to 50. There we go. Maybe even 100 might work. Let's try 1,000 just to play around a bit. Okay, 100 is the upper limit as far as I'm aware. But yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do to change your fonts. Again, you're going to need to change the font for each of these that you want to change the font for. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.